Hey, what's up, bells? What we're doing today, I'm not dressed up or anything like that. As you can see, I'm like still in my pajama clothes, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about this denim jacket. I have two Levi's denim jackets that I was gifted from my dad, and so these are like vintage jackets that he had from back in the day. It fits me kind of proper, you know, it's not that bad, but it does look like I have on my daddy's jacket. They're both extra larges. I might do it to the other one, but I'm gonna start off with this one first. And basically, I'm gonna change this into a crop jacket. Just wanted to show you guys like the process of how I'm gonna make this look super cute and stop looking so like humongous on me. So yeah, let's get into the video. Elastic, a seam ripper, fabric scissors, denim jacket. So since I still want to keep the inside pocket, what I'm gonna do to make sure that I don't cut it, I'm just gonna pin it down so that way it's out of the way and I know that I won't be cutting it, because I'm going to cut it right under this pocket here, and so like right in the middle of these two. I'm taking my fabric scissors here. I'm just gonna go straight across. Now mind you, I just cut that top front layer. The back is still not cut. Finish it off. Now I'm just gonna fold this side over just to make sure that I'm getting the same amount on both sides. Grabbing my seam ripper. Now I'm going to open that up. I'm not gonna show you me seam ripping this whole thing because it's just gonna take too long. And now I'm just gonna keep on seam ripping all the way around. I'm just tucking the elastic inside now. I really enjoy this inside pocket. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to just move this inside pocket up. And I'm just going to move the hem up once I cut the jacket. It looks so cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like and you want more tutorials like this, go ahead and thumbs up the video. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next. And before I forget, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay true to you. Love you.
Honey, baby, please don't blame me. Just don't talk right now.